Ayo, what up YouTube? I'ma show y'all how to cook some Uncle Ben's fast and fancy rice. We got that country chicken flavor. Now what you'll need is a package of Uncle Ben's fast and fancy country chicken flavor rice. A small pot with a lid. If you don't got a lid, don't worry. Use a plate. It probably won't explode. Also, you'll need water, drink, to cook the rice, and a snack. Takes a while. Got a patient snack in between. So, you turn this over, and you read. You're gonna need 2 cups of water, and the rice, and that seasoning. You gotta reduce the heat to no, bring to a boil over here. Yeah. Important. Reduce that bitch to medium, reduce it to medium low. Cover and boil for like 16 minutes, 15, 16, around there. And yeah, fucking remove it from the heat. Stand that for 5 minutes covered. And then like freaking wang jangle it, fucking wang jangle, fucking. You suck at cooking. He's a good YouTuber. I like him a lot. Anyways, we're gonna get the rice, the seasoning into here and onto the oven. We'll come back then. Bam. We're trying. Alrighty, dudes. So now that you've done step 1, make sure you stir it up a little bit, so it's not too clumpy, but get that bad boy on the oven. The oven's a glass top. It's kind of cool. Got to get cleaned, but whatever. You take this, fucking boom, and you sit here and you wait for it to boil. Good time to drink water, have a snack. It smells like chicken noodle soup. It smells delicious. But have a drink, have a snack, watch tunes. We'll be back. So, now that your rice is boiling and you forgot about it, you come back over, you can grab your plate, or whatever the fuck, and just slide that bitch on top. Hit it to like a medium, a solid 6. You go over here, and because you forgot about it, you're gonna be a little cheeky. You're gonna cheek and tongue. Right. You're gonna set it to 14 minutes. Press that start button, and watch like a funny video. But don't forget about your rice this time, okay? That's okay. It makes those noises. Probably. Anyways, I'll come back once the rice is cooked. If it makes too much noise and it sounds like it might blow something up, just flip it upside down and it stops making the noise. Pro tip. Alrighty, the timer is up. So the rice is almost done. So the element's on. I'm gonna turn that off now. Take your rice off the heat, let it stand 5 minutes. Trust me, you'll want to. It'll make the world difference in your rice, believe me. 5 minutes, guys. Alright, it's been 5 minutes, guys. The rice is set or whatever. And that's kind of hot. That's pretty warm. There we go. Whoops. Look at that. Now you fluff it a little bit. Fluff up your rice. Yeah. Of course, you gotta taste it now. Oh, wait. Are we supposed to have butter? Oh, shit. Well, optional. Fuck. It's really good with butter. It makes it like real smooth. It's kind of silky, has a sauce. But cheers. Really good. Definitely cooked it a little too long, kind of mushy, but gonna add some soy sauce into it. It's gonna be really, really good. Another bite good. There you go. Now you know how to make Uncle Ben's Fast and Fancy country chicken flavored rice.